We live in a whole new world where consumers expect you to be there for them with convenient services personalized to meet their needs. Busy consumers know what they want, and they want it now. Not tomorrow. Now. Your cardholders are no different. When they need a new card, they don't want to wait days or weeks. They expect you to deliver that card immediately so they can get back to their busy lives. And with Instant Issue Advantage from Fiserv, that's just what they get: replacement cards in an instant. We recently spoke with Fiserv clients about some of the challenges their institutions are trying to solve by implementing Instant Issue Advantage.
Challenge with our customers and while we were looking at Instant Issue is with all the data breaches that are occurring, if a customer was on the list of a breach and their card was hot-carded, it would take up to 3 weeks, and the customer, has come so accustomed to using that card, and it was just really a bad inconvenience for the customer. Of course, with Instant Issue, there is no waiting, and our customers are extremely happy.
The problems we were trying to solve was getting a card, of course, in our customers' hands quicker. We were able to achieve that. We started out processing centrally, and then at one point in time, some of our markets came to us and said they had competitors offering those same cards same day or next day. So we decided to go with Instant Issue at the branch. Once we did that, we started in our Texas market. We got it moving. We started out with Bank Stripe there initially and have since moved to EMV Instant Issue cards at the branch level. And that seems to serve our customers' needs to be able to walk out the door with the product in their hand.
We consider Fiserv our partner as we try and deliver products and services to our clients. We consider Fiserv very progressive and supporting our needs to deliver services for our clients.
Instant Issue Advantage offers the latest instant issuance technology that fits with the way cardholders want to manage their money and their lives on their terms.
The mail system is not a very innovative, up-to-date speed in Western Kansas. It was taking our customers 10, 12, 14 days to receive those cards in the mail. And then sometimes after that card, then you have the PIN, and the PIN's a day or two later. So you're having customers up to 18 days able to get that card and not use it. So what we did is we moved with Fiserv Instant Issuance. Within that, we were able to hand that card off if they are at the central location where we printed that card, and also within 2 days at the rural communities, they were able to use those cards. So we cut that down from 10, 12, 14 days, and they were able to use that card, be happy with it, and not have to wait on that PIN number.
Our customers, a lot of them don't carry cash anymore. They depend 100% on that debit card. So it was really an inconvenience if they don't have it.
Instant Issuance helps our initiative because like I said, we're in rural communities. A farmer can go out today in their tractor, push 5 or 6 different buttons, set that tractor where they need to go, and they sit back and just watch it. So here they are, the agricultural community is innovative, moving forward with technology, and here we are. We're a bank. We should be able to keep up with them. We should be able to help them sit back, multitask, and pull out their smartphone. Our mobile wallet, we want our debit card to be pulled out of their wallet if they purchase something online, be it first, be it last, but we want to be at the first of the top of that list.
Partner with Fiserv and leverage our commitment to delivering products and services that drive deeper customer engagement, unmatched security, greater cost efficiency, and profitability. Instant Issue Advantage from Fiserv.